To change your Shopify theme from Spotlight to Dawn, follow these steps. First, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the online store section. Click on Themes to access your current theme settings. In the Themes page, click on the Explore Free Themes button to visit the Shopify theme store. Use the search bar to find the Dawn theme and click on it to view its details. Click the Add to Library button to add the Dawn theme to your store. After adding the Dawn theme to your library, go back to the Themes page in your Shopify admin panel. You will see the Dawn theme listed under the Theme Library section. Click on the Actions drop-down next to the Dawn theme and select Publish. This will replace your current Spotlight theme with the Dawn theme. Your store will now be using the Dawn theme, but it may not look exactly as you want it to, since you need to configure the theme settings. To do this, click on the Customize button next to the Dawn theme. In the theme editor, you can customize various aspects of your store, such as the layout, colors, and typography. You can also add or remove sections from your homepage. Make sure to save your changes as you go along. Once you have customized your Dawn theme, click on the Save button to save your changes. Your store is now live with the new Dawn theme. If you want to make any further changes, you can do so by going back to the theme editor. It is a good idea to preview your store on different devices to ensure that it looks and works as expected. You can do this by clicking on the Preview button in the theme editor. This will open a preview of your store in a new tab, where you can test its functionality and appearance on different devices. By following these steps, you can easily change your Shopify theme from Spotlight to Dawn and give your store a fresh new look. Remember to always save your changes and preview your store on different devices to ensure that it looks and works as expected.